Hey, it's Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. Today we're going to talk about the optional black accent package on Unity and Wonder motorhomes. It's a great option on any floor plan. So number one, we have the black hardware, which looks absolutely fantastic. Black faucet, you can see we have the extension in the faucet as well. All of our handles are done in black. All the hardware in the bathroom area, all done in black. So that's on the inside. So when you order the optional black accent package, all the hardware in the motorhome is done in beautiful matte black. When we go outside the motorhome, if you order the optional table, you get black optional table. And all of our badging, as you can see, is all done in raised black. Come to the back of the motorhome. The new bezel design is all done in black. Have a look at the front of the motorhome. All the badging is done in black accent as well. So you can order the black accent package on any floor plan and any exterior color. We have 9 different exterior colors for 2026. We've got Atlantic Blue, Alpine Mist, Granite, Carbon, Sandstone, Shadow, Eurosport, Storm Gray, and Woodland. So 9 different exterior colors that you can choose from, and you can have the black accent package, which looks great on Wonder motorhomes and Unity motorhomes, any floor plan. Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. Order the black accent package.